Hey everyone, and welcome back for another deep dive. Today we're doing things a little differently. We're diving headfirst into the world of cryptocurrency data.
Okay.
And to help us navigate this, we'll be using CoinMarketCap.
Makes sense.
Now, you guys already know that the crypto space is massive,
It really is.
but I think actually seeing it all mapped out on CoinMarketCap,
Yeah.
it really hits you just how deep this rabbit hole goes.
It's true. CoinMarketCap tracks literally thousands of cryptocurrencies.
Right.
Over 11,000 with a combined market cap in the trillions.
It's wild.
That kind of scale can make anyone's head spin, especially if you're just starting to learn about crypto.
Yeah, for sure. So think of this deep dive as your crash course in navigating this data jungle. We're going to unpack why CoinMarketCap is so valuable, whether you're looking to make your first Bitcoin purchase or just trying to understand what all the hype is about.
And what's fascinating is that CoinMarketCap isn't just about like the raw numbers. It's designed to help you make sense of those numbers,
Yeah,
to extract like insights that can inform your decisions.
totally.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's paint a picture for our listeners who maybe haven't fired up CoinMarketCap before. Imagine pulling up the homepage for the first time. What's the first thing that jumps out?
Honestly, it's just the sheer volume of information, but it's presented in a way that's surprisingly accessible.
Yeah.
You're immediately greeted by this global snapshot of like the total crypto market cap, the dominance of major players like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and even a breakdown of the most active exchanges.
And you mentioned dominance. For someone who might be new to this, why is it important to understand the concept of Bitcoin or Ethereum's dominance within the crypto market?
Well, it's about more than just their price. Dominance reflects their influence on the entire market sentiment.
Right.
Think of it like a ripple effect.
Right.
When Bitcoin sneezes, the rest of the crypto world tends to catch a cold.
Right.
Understanding this dynamic can give you a sense of how interconnected everything is within the crypto market.
That's a great way to put it. It's like they're the bellwethers, and CoinMarketCap makes that relationship immediately clear. But okay, let's say I'm ready to delve deeper. What are some of the specific features that make CoinMarketCap such a powerful tool for both beginners and seasoned traders?
Well, one of the most basic yet essential features is the ability to see how cryptocurrencies are ranked.
Yep.
You can sort them by market cap, which is the default, but also by price trading volume, even the percentage change over different timeframes.
So I can instantly see which cryptos are the biggest players, which ones are making waves, and which ones might be flying under the radar. It's like having X-ray vision into the market.
Exactly. And if you're looking for more historical context, which is crucial in such a volatile market, CoinMarketCap has you covered there too, right? With a historical snapshot. It's like a time machine for crypto prices.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Give me an example of how this could actually help someone make smarter decisions.
Okay, so let's say you're curious about how a specific event, like a regulatory announcement or a major security breach, impacted the price of a certain cryptocurrency.
Okay.
You can use this tool to plug in any date and time, and you can see exactly how the market reacted.
Interesting.
This is really helpful for identifying patterns and really understanding the psychology of the market.
So I could see, like, how Bitcoin reacted to China's mining ban back in 2021,
Exactly.
or how Ethereum's price fluctuated during the recent wave of DeFi hacks.
Exactly. You can see the bigger picture and how different factors, both positive and negative, influence market sentiment over time.
Okay, that is incredibly valuable. But even with all this historical data, it can feel pretty overwhelming to keep track of the entire crypto market in real time.
It really is.
I mean, I don't think many people are glued to CoinMarketCap 24/7.
Right.
That's where the more personalized features come in, right?
Absolutely. And that's where CoinMarketCap really shines. One of the first things I always recommend is setting up your watch lists. Think of them like custom curated lists of cryptocurrencies that you want to keep a close eye on.
So I could have a watch list for privacy coins, another one for DeFi projects,
Yeah,
and then maybe even one for those meme coins that everyone's always talking about, just for fun.
exactly. And what's great is that you can customize these watch lists however you like. You can make them public or private, share them with friends. The possibilities are pretty much endless.
I can even, like, stalk or follow the watch lists of more experienced crypto traders,
Yeah.
see what they're watching.
That's the beauty of the followers feature. You're plugging into the collective wisdom of the entire CoinMarketCap community.
Oh boy.
You can see which cryptocurrencies are generating buzz, which ones people are adding to their watch list, and you even get a feel for the overall sentiment.
It's like having a built-in network of crypto mentors.
Right.
But it's important to remember, this isn't about just blindly following the crowd.
Absolutely not. Always do your own research.
Yeah.
But it can be a really valuable starting point, especially when you're trying to sift through literally thousands of different cryptocurrencies.
Right. Okay. So let's say I've done my research. I've maybe explored some watch lists, and now I'm ready to start building my own crypto portfolio.
Okay.
CoinMarketCap has a tool for that too, right?
They do, and it's a game changer, especially for anyone who's ever tried to manage their crypto holdings across multiple exchanges.
Oh, tell me about it.
With CoinMarketCap's portfolio tracker, you can see your entire crypto portfolio in one place, updated in real time.
Okay, so finally, some organization in this wild west of data.
Right. And you can manually input your holdings,
Wow.
including the quantity of each cryptocurrency you own, your purchase price, and even any fees you might incurred along the way.
Wow.
And then the tracker automatically calculates your overall portfolio value, your profit or loss, and a bunch of other really useful metrics.
So no more frantically checking all the different exchanges and trying to do the mental math myself.
Yeah.
I can actually see at a glance how my investments are performing, both individually and as a whole.
Right, and it goes beyond just tracking numbers. The portfolio tracker can help you actually analyze your investment strategy.
So you're saying it can help me become a more disciplined investor. I'll take all the help I can get.
It can highlight your trading habits. Like, are you someone who panic sells when a certain coin dips? Are you holding on to losers for too long?
It's so easy to do that, though.
It is, and when you can actually see everything laid out, it can be incredibly insightful.
I mean, it's so easy to get caught up in the heat of the moment and make emotional decisions.
Right.
So having that objective data right there in front of you, that's got to be invaluable.
It really is. And speaking of making informed decisions, let's not forget about CoinMarketCap's commitment to crypto education.
Okay.
They could have just stopped at being this data powerhouse, but they go the extra mile with things like their glossary blog and Alexandria, their AI-powered assistant.
It's true. You know, for a world that often seems obsessed with like complicated jargon.
Right. I really appreciate their dedication to clear explanations. Right. Their glossary is a lifesaver for anyone who's ever felt lost in a sea of technical terms.
Totally.
Blockchain DeFi, DAOs, they break it all down into plain English.
Yeah, it's like having a crypto dictionary on hand at all times.
Yeah.
And if I am looking for more in-depth analysis, or I want to dive into a specific aspect of the market, their blog is a goldmine.
Absolutely. They have articles on everything from market trends and regulatory updates to like in-depth project reviews and interviews with industry leaders. It's a fantastic resource for staying ahead of the curve.
Totally. And then for those moments where you need an answer right now, there's Alexandria.
Exactly. Alexandria is like having a crypto expert on call 24/7.
Nice.
Let's say you have a question about how staking works, or you're curious about the latest developments in Layer 2 scaling solutions. You can literally just ask Alexandria.
I love that.
Okay.
So we've obviously barely scratched the surface of what CoinMarketCap offers, but I do want to touch on one more thing before we wrap up their mobile app.
Of course. For those of us who pretty much live on our phones, the CoinMarketCap app is essential. It brings all the features we've talked about, from real-time price tracking to portfolio management, right to your fingertips.
Yeah, no more feeling tethered to my desktop. But let's talk about those moments when I'm on the go and maybe I don't have time to like deep dive into all the charts and graphs, but I still want to stay informed. What's the app's secret weapon for that?
Price alerts.
Okay.
So let's say you're interested in a specific cryptocurrency, but you're waiting for a price dip before you buy.
Right.
Instead of constantly checking the market, you can set a price alert, and the app will just notify you when that price is hit.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Talk about a stress-free way to monitor the market.
Yeah.
I can already feel my anxiety levels dropping.
Right?
And then on top of that, to stay up to date on all things crypto.
Yeah.
Their Discover page within the app is amazing.
Yeah, it's great.
It's like my personalized news feed for the crypto world. No more jumping between Twitter, Reddit, and a dozen different crypto news sites. This has been incredibly eye-opening. And I have a feeling our listeners are already feeling more empowered to navigate the crypto world with CoinMarketCap as their guide.
It's been a pleasure sharing all this with you and your listeners. Remember, the crypto space is always evolving, but with the right tools and a healthy dose of curiosity, anyone can make sense of it.
I love that. Couldn't agree more.
Yeah.
So as you venture out into this exciting, sometimes overwhelming world of cryptocurrency, remember, knowledge is power. And with CoinMarketCap by your side, you'll always be one step ahead. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive. We'll see you next time.